Hello everybody, Cata here. Adios Mark is playing Dying Light in the background. He's almost about to finish it, but so tomorrow weather again is supposed to be really bad here in upstate for north or in general northeast. I'm pretty sure is going to be getting another snowstorm, and so I don't know exactly when it is supposed to happen, but all I know is that it's, I guess, going to be stopping by like the afternoon or something on Sunday. So hopefully it is. So we kind of, after I got out of work, we went to the store real quick, got some more groceries, as we tend to always seem to do after or before a snowstorm.
Oh.
Yeah.
Perfect. This is a great thing.
But yeah. So we didn't, like, I wasn't really expecting it. Like, I was originally going to do it tomorrow, but with everything that's going to be going on, not really going to be able to do it, so we figured we'd do it tonight. And so we got that done. So kind of came back. Little man went back to sleep. And so, like I said, I'm going to have the workout video later on today. And like I said, I'll also be watching the live stream and everything like that with Markiplier. So go ahead and check that out. I'm sure by the time that I have this up that it'll probably already be going on. But as Adios Mark makes fun of me on the side.
Where'd you find him? He just showed up. He barely talks. He says some strange things.
Oh.
Someone named Mike. The only thing he had with him was his voice recorder. But this fella, Mike, it might be his brother. The kid says he left him behind. He asked me.
I see you.
I don't think I can.
I see you.
It's too dangerous to take him with me, and I don't want to leave him here.
But anyway. So yeah, that's that. So if you don't have to go anywhere again, don't try and do anything silly. But you know, you're making it very hard to be serious. I don't even know what I was about to say.
I'm so serial right now. Don't mess with me, okay? Holy crap! What are you doing? Stop filming me in the camera, shit.
Language.
Oh well, they can't handle me. Fine.
Anyway, so yeah, that's Adios Mark right there. See, that's what you get for using bad language.
That's a bad spitter zombie spit thing.
Because you used bad language. But
whoa, wow!
So yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. I will see you in my next episode. Cata signing out. Later.